Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking down the essentials: resolution, encoder, and frame rate. Open OBS and set base canvas and output scale to your target, for example 1920x1080. Choose an encoder next. NVENC if you have a modern GPU, x264 if CPU headroom exists. Set FPS to 30 or 60 based on content. Once done, inspect scene order and capture source priority so overlays and game/window capture don't conflict. These first actions prevent most downstream quality problems. Now optimize encoding and filters for quality. Set video bitrate according to resolution and FPS. For 1080p 60x10, 000 to 18, 000 kbps. Reduce for limited upload speed. Alter rate control to CBR for streaming or CRF for local recordings. Increase profile to high for better detail. Apply audio filters, noise suppression, gain, and a noise gate to remove hiss and room tone. Once applied, preview recordings and adjust color space, LUT, or denoise sparingly because aggressive filtering kills detail. Finish by validating with test recordings and live monitoring. Record short clips and watch CPU/GPU load, frame drops, and audio sync. Inspect OBS stats for encoding bottlenecks. If you see dropped frames or stuttering, lower bitrate, choose a faster encoder preset, or enable a 2-second keyframe interval for streaming. If artifacts or crashes persist, check the OBS log for errors, update or roll back GPU drivers, and restart OBS. Troubleshooting tip: duplicate the scene and disable sources one by one to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.